So CIGA Design reached out to me a while back and sent their watches to me to check them out. And this review how to style video, it's gonna be my take and my opinion on these bad boys, the Blue Planet. Founded in 2016, CIGA Design is China's first original designer watch brand and has won more than 16 international design awards, and is the only Chinese watch brand winning the GPHG prize, which is known as the Oscars of the watch industry. So I am pretty pumped to check out their watches when they reached out to me, and the watches I chose are the Magician and the Blue Planet models in titanium. And in today's video I am gonna be reviewing the Blue Planet first, which is the watch that won the GPHG prize. And in terms of the specs, the Blue Planet features a rounded one-piece titanium alloy case with a case size diameter of 46mm and a case size thickness of 15mm and a strap size of 22mm. It has a 30 jewels CIGA Design's original automatic movement with hand winding with a power reserve of 40 hours. It has no hour and minute and second hands and features a really unique way to tell the time with two ring bezels and the center, which is the earth, which I will get into more details later. The glass of the watch is made of a curved double sapphire glass which enhances every detail on the dial. It has a screw down crown on the right side of the watch which allows you to manually wind the watch. The water resistance is at 380 m or 30 meters, and when you turn it to the back, there is an open case back design which allows you to see through the automatic movements of the watch, which is a nice detail. The watch comes in two materials, titanium alloy which is 1099 USD and stainless steel which is 899 USD. Alright, now let's get into the juicier part of this video, and that is what are my likes and dislikes about this watch. First off, I'm gonna be starting with the dislikes first, and number one is its lack of lume. Basically the dial or the hand, they are not luminous, which means you can't tell the time at night. Of course, it is not a deal breaker, but it's still nice to be able to read the time when it's dark. Secondly, I just wish they improve on the water resistance with only 30 meters water resistant, and although it says it is rain and splash proof, but you still have to be careful when you are near anywhere wet. And that is pretty much it. Now let's get into what I love about this watch. First up, let's talk about the design, right? I just love the intricate and exquisite dial details, the crisp sprawling mountains, and the land elevated from the deep royal navy blue sea with a navigation marker at the corner, which is the only pointer. The 3D dial numbers and engravings around the bezel are also fine and precise. It has a very unique way to read the time as the earth rotates along the horizon of the watch bezel. The hour dial, which is at the outermost ring, is static. The minute dial is the inner ring, which is dynamic. The navigation marker tells the time by pointing at the specific point on the hour and the minute ring. For example, as you can see, this is 6 p.m. or 6 o'clock as from the pointer, and after you rotate it, this shows 6:30 p.m. or 6:30, which is indicated by where the pointer is pointed at. And for the design, I also love that it has no lugs, which also gives more display space for the dial and makes the watch not bigger than it already is. Okay, moving on to point number 2, which is how easy it is to change the strap. The straps features an easy release system which you can put on and take off the straps just by pushing a knob without using a professional watch tool. It's super simple and super easy to put on the straps, and if you get multiple straps you can easily change up the look of the watch within seconds. And next up, number 3, I gotta say, is its durability. The Blue Planet features a one-piece titanium alloy casing which is lighter at the same time denser and more durable than your average stainless steel. The navy blue floral rubber straps also feel super smooth, soft and comfortable on the wrist. You can really feel the strap is premium on the hand and on the touch. And this strap, it is also washable, antibacterial, non-toxic and water resistant. And lastly, I gotta talk about its versatility. Although the watch is super unique like none other and it really stands out, but at the same time it is also extremely versatile because of how sleek it looks. Without any lugs, the 46mm watch wear surprisingly well on the average wrist. As a comparison, my wrist is 6 3/4 inches, about 17 centimeters in circumference, and the size of the watch, it is perfect. The blue rubber strap is fun at the same time, still remaining versatile. You can dress it all the way up with some shirts and some dress pants in an office or a corporate setting because the watch doesn't look too big and bulky. It is just nice under the cuff. And of course, you can also wear it with a full suit, looking super fabulous, no problem as well. At the same time, if you want to dress it all the way down with some t-shirt and jeans, it also totally works because a casual outfit just highlights the dazzling design of the watch. And of course, my favorite combination will be the all black. I mean, you just can't go wrong with the all black. Really highlights and put the emphasis on the watch. I mean, just look at it, right? Just how sick it looks. Absolutely phenomenal.